Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us work on integers. They gave us minus 3 multiplied by minus 5 plus minus 10. We know that for the integer, when we have negative multiplied by negative, we got positive. Positive multiplied by positive, we got positive. Negative multiplied by positive, we got negative. And positive multiplied by negative, we got negative. That is, when we are multiplying the same sign, we get positive. And when we are multiplying different signs, we get negative. For our question, we are going to start by multiplying negative 3 multiplied by negative 5. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 5, we are going to get positive 15. Then add minus 10. Second, I'm going to combine these two signs by multiplying them. Positive multiplied by negative, we get negative. That is going to be 15 minus 10. That gives us the answer is equal to 5. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on integers, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.